Hey guys, it's Grant here with PJB. Just going to give you a little walkthrough of what we've done. There used to be a Mighty Therm 400,000 BTU boiler here, and then 2 storage tanks that were over there. We've now replaced them with these brand new Rinnai's 200,000 BTU boilers. These things are really cool. It was the first opportunity I've ever got to work on one of these. These things they're really nice. They are 20% lighter than your average commercial tank, so that helps with the install, especially if you have a bad back like myself. Once we fire these up, each one of these can heat up 551 gallons of water to 100-degree delta T. So what that means is that, say if your water's coming in at 32 degrees Fahrenheit, in 60 minutes, they can heat up to 132 degrees Fahrenheit, and we try to cap them out at about 140 Fahrenheit. Another good thing about these is that when they come from the manufacturer, they're all set up and ready to go with their own pumps and everything. So all you really have to do is connect the hot, the cold, and the gas. Once again, first time working on these, was really impressed with the install of them themselves. Another neat thing with these is you can combi vent the venting system. We did do them individually, but in a future install, we can hook up 1, 2, 3, 4 to the same vent. Obviously, look at the manufacturer specifications of if you do need to upsize them or not. Another thing with these is the gas line. This is all on a swivel, so you can put them any which way and just connect the dots with the gas. One of the good things about these is the serviceability with them. We can service each one of these boiler units individually. So if you have 2 of them on a redundant system, we can take one out of full operation and still have the building and the tenants having hot water while we work on it, service it, or even need to replace it. Another really good thing with this system is that it's building management system compatible, or BMS if you will. When we're commissioning them, all you have to do is go to the Rinnai app, type in the make and model, and it'll hook up to the Bluetooth on your phone. So you can commission this whole thing just through an app, which is super cool. We haven't been able to do that before, and I'm a super big fan of them. It eliminates a lot of space from having a boiler going to 2 storage tanks, because if your ever boiler goes down, now you've got to cut off all the hot water to the building. With this system, like I said, the serviceability, we can take one out and still have them operational. If, like I said, we need to change it out, that's fine. We can isolate them, take it out, throw the new ones back in, and then fire them up once we connect the dots. Yeah, that's pretty much her. Very happy with how this mechanical room turned out. Very curious to see how the customer in the next 5 to 10 years deal with these tanks. So it's kind of a good little test run for Rinnai for PJB here. Yeah, I like it. So yeah, once again, Grant with PJB Mechanical. We do residential, commercial installs, service. Please visit our website at www.pjbmechanical.com, or you can reach out to us at 604-940-2268. Thanks again, guys. Have a good day. I even put stuff in my beard today to make my beard nice, so. That's all I know right now. Hold on, let me check my notes. Shut up, I'm doing a video! Oh my Lord. I don't, kids.